Man, look at this field of view. What? Two nematodes here. I don't even know. Let's put the light on this. I'm feeling that's gonna glow. Oh, the nematodes don't like that. You see it? I knew that was alive right there. Nematodes don't like this light, so nigga, that's cool. He balled up. Wow. Damn, there's nematodes everywhere. Look at this. But this right here, that has got my interest. Another nematode over here. So just in this little field of view, there's another one over here. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 nematodes. Let's move up a little bit. This is the purple testate, the infamous purple testate amoeba, right there. Heliospora rosea, it's called. Beautiful, beautiful microbe, man. Another nematode on this side. Huh. So yeah, some good potting mix. Very good potting mix. Let's see what type of glowing I get. Let me kill this real quick. Oh, not that. This has got just about everything and anything in it. Microbes have definitely had time to process this. You can see that nematode rocket in the background. This is no doubt biocomplete compost. And this guy back here. Let's go back to regular lights. That's a big nematode. He's all real curled up too. Oh, that's actually a big nematode. Really think about it. How many? It's like a snake. He's like all coiled up. Look at that. Wild. This nematode is shedding. You can tell just by. I know it looked kind of funny when I was looking at it. You can see its cuticle shedding. Look at the back end of it. They shed like snakes, and that's why it's all rigid like that along its cell walls, along its cuticle wall. All these. He's gonna start moving now. All these little ridges. I'm sorry. Anyway, good looking testate amoeba there. Nematode right on top of him. Would look like another testate there. Let's stay at 400. I'm gonna just kind of yeah. So these testates are in here. I was just kind of zipping past them. Another one there. Ciliate maybe. That's a wild looking shape to that thing. I'm not seeing any cilia, any little hairs, but probably is. And ciliates are not bad unless you have tons of them. Then you got other problems. What is that? I'm looking at that again. That looks like it's growing. It's like a I don't know. You see, like this is new growth down here, right there. That's what it's clearer, but I'm not sure what that is. There's some fungal hyphae. There it is again. I'll have to go to my keys if I really wanted to see what that was. That's got to be fungal though. Bounce back out to 100. Big nematode on the top of the slide. Yeah, no shortage of biology. This is it. This is why things grow well, man. This is what it is. Look at that. Another strand of fungal hyphae. So even my potting mix is somewhat of an inoculant. Look at this biochar. Watch this. This is how you know when you've inoculated biochar correctly. With an epifluorescent light, you should see everything stuck to it. See that? Like a magnet. You got all these nutrients and minerals and all this stuff that's stuck to that piece of biochar. Inoculate your biochar through your compost piles. That's the best way to do it. I'm not saying it's the only way. It's definitely the most effective way. Gone. I'm out.